All right, so we have been looking at fractions, and before that we were looking at shapes. So we're going to, a little bit this morning, kind of combine them together, okay? So does anybody remember the name of this shape? Okay. Kevin, remember, I can't hear you, so you'll need to type what you think the answer is in chat. Don't worry about the spelling, just try the best you can on what you think the name of this shape is. Okay, I'm going to put it in here. This is a hexagon. Okay. Yep. All right. So let me move it to the side. What is this shape? Good job, triangle. This one is what? Rhombus. Good job. One more. Begins with a T. Anybody know? Begins with a T.
I already sent a remind.
Oh, I see it. Now, look at these two. How many red trapezoids will make one hexagon? So think about how many would I need of these to make the shape look like the hexagon? Two. So Maria's telling me I need to get two. And if I do that and I pick it up, ta-da! So what fraction of the hexagon is red? So now we're looking at fractions. Right here, the total number goes. It's cut into 1, 2. Two units make the whole hexagon. 2. But I only have that many. One for the numerator. It is now 1/2 red. Good job. Now, look at that. Guess how many blue rhombuses needed to cover the yellow hexagon. Now guess how many of these you need to cover this. I'll kind of give you a hint. I'll put one of them on. Now guess how many to cover the whole hexagon. That's just one covering it. Think about if I did 2. Is it all covered up? Okay, and I'm going to put 2 on. So we need 3. Okay. So 3 covers the whole hexagon. What is the fraction of blue for this hexagon? What number goes here? That's the total number. What do I need to write here? There was 3 of them. It takes 3 whole ones to cover. Now, how many units are blue? Maria said 1. We got 1 out of 3 that we need. So 1/3. Okay, I'm going to challenge you with this. If that's 1/3, what's this one? Anybody got an idea of what fraction of this is covered out? Oh, there is on top of it. I have 2 colored in blue. 1, 2, but I need 3 to cover the whole thing. 2 unit fractions are blue and still need 3 to cover the whole yellow hexagon. So we can look at fractions with these shapes. That's why I brought these out. Now, turn this over. Look at this one. And this triangle. Ooh. Guess how many triangles would cover the hexagon. Okay. A lot of people's thinking 4, so let's go. I'm going to start covering. There's 1, 2, 3, 4. Uh-oh. Need more. Yep. Yes. 6 to cover the whole hexagon. All right. So we do a fraction. The number on the bottom we know is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Because that's the whole thing. What if I do this much? What goes at the top? What is the numerator? Oh, there it is already there before I can even type the Henrik too. You all are on the job. I'm just going to say great work. Yes, 1, 2. And that is 2/6. All right. Now, what if I've got this? I have this. I have this. Now, here's the question. Can I do fractions with this? You all are telling me no. Why not? You all are correct. Now tell me, why not? Why can't I do fractions? I've cut it up into different pieces. That's what fractions is, to cut up or look at parts of a whole. What is it that all the parts need to be? Even, it's a good way to say it, but remember, need to say they need to be the same size. That is good. Yes, they're not the same size. They need to be, need to remember the phrase, they need to be equal parts. You need to remember equal parts. That's not equal to that. Okay, great job. All right. I'm going to stop share. You all stay incognito so I don't see you, because I'm going to go to something else we're going to look at. We are having to see what I can do and can't do where y'all can't talk. Work. It's making it hard where y'all can't talk and stuff. All right. So what I'm going to show you now is something you're going to do as an exit ticket. And when you're done with it, you just send me a chat to let me know you're done. Let me type that in. I'm typing. I'm going to show you what to do for your exit ticket. You will stay in Zoom until I tell you, until you let me know you are finished. Do you understand? Kevin, I'm not hearing from Kevin. I know Hendrik knows and I know Nuria knows, but I don't know about Kevin because he's not typing me the answer. Do you understand, Kevin? I'm going to show you what to do. You're going to do it and then let me know in a text message you're finished and a chat right here. So type okay if you know this, Kevin, since I can't hear you. All right. So our exit ticket is going to be a Kahoot. And so I'm going to go where I've got it ready to go out as soon as we got done. Right here. I'm going to send you this email, and you can click on this to go to Kahoot. You might want to write on a piece of paper this PIN number so you can type it in. And then you would type in your first name for nickname, finish the entire Kahoot, then let me know when you finished in chat, okay? That needs to be done before you leave this meeting. And then when you're done with the meeting, remember to meet with me again at 1. All right, okay? Then, while in between now and 1 o'clock, you need to follow these lessons. You're in the Zoom meeting, and then I have got in iReady Math a teacher assigned lessons, and it's called Model Fractions. You do that. Then you click here to go to Splash Learn and click on From My Teacher and look for the one that says titled Partition Shapes into Halves, Thirds, and Fourths. That's all I'm asking you to do right after you meet with me. And then you've got all this time to do this. And if you have library books, I need you to read a library book and take a test on it today. So let me type that in for everybody. After getting off Zoom, do all the assignments for math on Canvas page. And also work on reading a library book and taking an AR test on it today. I need you to do it today. Finish an AR test today. Then we meet again at 1 o'clock. All right. So now I will show you the Kahoot in your email. Look for it and stay with me until you finish it. All right, so I'm going to the email and sending it to you. And here it goes. And I'll get it in my, there we go. And here it comes. So look in your email. There's what it looks like. do the Kahoot and let me know when you are finished. All right, I'm going to mute myself and take me off while you work on it, but just send me a chat when you've got it done.